Awesome. So in this video, we are going to be talking about WhatsApp automation. So how do you automate messages in WhatsApp? And this first section of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the inbuilt features in WhatsApp Business that you can use to do this. And in the subsequent video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a third-party app to actually automate your messages in WhatsApp. Okay. Now, when it comes to running business in 21st century in a digital age, automation is one marketing feature that you need to consider because it can save you a lot of time and resources. Okay, so automation is what we call putting your business in God mode. Now think of how we see God as the creator of the world, and also he runs everything that goes around the world, but you barely find him physically doing all those stuff. So that is what I mean. That's what I mean by putting your business in God mode. So automation can help you do this. Now imagine you having to send messages, communicate to your potential customers, even when you are not around. Just setting up a system and that will run automatically. So that is what automation can do for you, and you can do that. There are different ways you can apply automation, but you have the opportunity to apply it also on your WhatsApp. So why not you? Why not do that? So I'm going to walk you through on how you can do it. So in this video, I want to show you the inbuilt features, automated messaging feature that you can find on WhatsApp Business. So I'm going to launch my WhatsApp Business. So to find your messaging here, you have to also go to your this three dotted here to locate your business tools. Okay. So if you scroll down here, so this is your messaging. So this messaging, this is where you have the inbuilt automation you can find on WhatsApp. Now the thing with the automation features on the WhatsApp is that is limited. Okay, so you can't have lengthy flow of conversation with the inbuilt messaging on the WhatsApp, but it can help you automate things to a certain level. First we have here is the greeting message. So the greeting message is something that you can set up, so whenever people are chatting with you for the first time, you can use this just to indoctrinate them, welcome them to your business, and also have a few conversation with them, even though when you are not available to actually do this physically. So you can use the greeting message. And the away message talks about when people you are chatting with these people, you are making conversation with them, you have already chatted, but this time around they wanted to get information from you, and you are not online, you are not accessing your WhatsApp. So once they send you a message, you can also program a message that is going to deliver to them, telling them the next cost of action, or maybe telling them that you are not available, you are going to join them soon, or when you are going to join them. So that is it on this messaging. And the other here is quick reply. Now this is amazing. If you are having conversation with your customers, you can now know the kind of messages you send to them based on the questions they are asking. Okay, so you might not know this if you are starting out, or if you are not keeping account of this, you will not know. But if now you know about this, you can keep account of what questions are your customers asking and what are you replying to them. If that messages or that reply is consistent, you can just save it as quick reply, so that whenever that question comes in, you don't have to go through the stress of typing the message full. You just use a button and you activate the quick reply. Okay, so if you want to set up this basic automation on your WhatsApp business, just locate it here. If you come to, for example, for greeting message, now this is how I set up my on this business. So first it can be turned off, so you need to turn it on. Okay, so you need to turn it on. Once it's turned on, then you can edit your message. Now I've already done this. Now this is my message here. So once people send me message, whether hi, how are you, hello, can I know more about your business, anything they are trying to talk to me about, this message is going to send to them. First of all, I thank them. Thank you for contacting my business. So I also have some thing I'm saying, please let us know how we can serve you, whatever. Maybe they want to, I don't know what they want to ask for, but I'm already telling them to feel free to share with me. And also I tell them I'm going to be responding soon. So also what I do here is also ask them to save my number. Is necessary. Okay, if people don't save your number, they might not be able to view your WhatsApp views and all that. So if you do that by telling them to save your number, I also give them a tips of what name they can use to save it. Okay, so also I also ask them to give me their own number. What name should I save your number with? You can save mine with this. So if they give me their name, I use it to do the saving I told you about. But if they don't give me, like I said, I told you, I just go over and save, use the add to contact. Any name that comes up there, I use it, add my tag, so that I can identify the number and just save. But this thing is important, telling them to save your number and all that, so that once they save your number, they will be able to be seeing your status and everything you post. So that is it. So on the next one here is you can set who you want to send this message, and I leave it to everyone. You have other options to how you can exclude, but I always leave it to everyone. So for you here, it can be anything. You can actually direct people from here. uh I will chat with you possible, but maybe you have a catalog, you have already listed your product on catalog, so you can provide the link of your catalog here and tell them, okay, you can check out some our product. They can simply go to your catalog, make choice of their product choice, and before you even come responding to them. So there are different ways you can use, based on the nature of your business will determine the greeting message you send. Okay, so you can also use this framework if you want to and customize your own. So that is it for the greeting message. So another one is the away message. Like I explained, if you're not available at the moment to respond, you can set up a message that can be sent to individuals. So I barely use this, but to use it is just to uh, turn it on. But I barely use it because I'm always with my WhatsApp. Once I see a message in my business line, I always check it out and reply on time. But if you are the kind of person that is always not always with your WhatsApp business, maybe it takes you hours or days before you access it, you can actually set up this message to help people not feel like they are being they are not being responded to and all that. Okay, so you can also set up how you want to be sent. You have options, custom schedule, always send, outside business hour. If you set up your business hour in your business, you can say, okay, this message should always go when you are not your business hours has closed. Okay, so that is the basic here. Then also you can set up who you want to send it to, and you can customize the message here. What message you want to: thank you for your message, we are unavailable now, but we will respond as soon as possible. You must not use the default here. A lot of people use the default. Have your own customized message meant for your business. Okay, so once you're done, you are good to go. So that is for the away message. Okay, I'm going to discard that. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to discard it. But another thing here is the quick reply. This is amazing. The quick reply can save you tons of time and hours when you spend trying to type every word you want to reply to your customers. So if you're having frequent conversation, you know what the questions your customers are asking, you have also have the answers you always give to them. You can bring it out here and put it under quick replies. Okay, so the quick replies allows you to, what you need to do is to first of all put a shortcut, like a word that you can use to remember this quick reply. Let's say size. This is the shortcut, size 2. Then you put the message. Anybody that is asking about size, you now write whatever you want to reply to them here. Okay, you can also add images you want to reply to them and all those stuff. So once that is done, you click on save. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I already have all my quick replies saved. So but if you check it now, you see that all these things. So this is how it works. So when you are chatting with someone, so let's say is this: when you are chatting with someone and the person asks you something and you want to reply, instead of typing it, you can simply use the backward slash, call up your symbols and use the backward slash, and you call up your quick replies. From there now you can set the right one that you want to send to the person. Let's say it's this one. You just tap it. Okay, and that is it, and you just click on send. So no need of typing, going through the process of typing or everything by letters by letter. Already save them out, and it's going to help you if you're having tons of communication on daily basis. It's going to help you a lot to attend to them much faster. Okay, so that is basically the automation features you can find on the business WhatsApp. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can use a third-party tools, to really automate messaging in a more lengthy flow on WhatsApp. Okay, you can have a very long thread of conversation with someone even while you are not around. Okay, so if you are the kind of business that maybe you have to have a series of conversation a series of nurturing with your ID customers before you even talk to them about your product or your services or your training, then the next video is going to really serve you very well. Okay, but for now, go over and check up. If you have not set it up, if you are not using WhatsApp Business, go and get your WhatsApp Business. If you have not set it up your auto messaging, away message, and welcome messages, start doing that. If you also have not saved up all the necessary messages you send to your customers as your quick reply, start doing that. It's going to help you do marketing on WhatsApp very, very effective and also very easily. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one.